Nothing's worse than picking up a stiff, ruined brush before you start painting. Let me show you some simple yet effective ways to clean your oil brushes so they stay flexible, sharp, and ready for your next painting. For cleaning materials, you will need a solvent like turpentine or mineral spirits. I'm using turpentine over here. You will need a container with a strainer. This one I have is a metal airtight washer with a removable strainer. It not only helps remove the paint but also helps to keep the dissolved paint at the bottom separate from the solvent. You can also just use a jar with a lid on and place a steel wool or any kind of agitator at the bottom. The first step is to wipe off the excess paint with a cotton rag or a paper towel. Step 2. Swirl your brush in solvent, pushing and dragging the brush gently. Bend the bristles so they are completely covered in solvent, ensuring any paint at the base of the ferrule is also dissolved. Then wipe it with a cotton rag or a paper towel and repeat this a couple of times. This step will remove most of the paint quickly. For the next step, I have got you two options. One with just oil and regular bathing soap for beginners, and for the serious painters, a dedicated oil soap which can cost a bit. For this step I'm using safflower oil, but you can use any of the others like linseed oil as well. Dip the brush in oil, covering the bristles. The oil helps loosen and dissolve any leftover paint. Now to the basin. Wash the bristles with soap and water. Any mild hand soap or baby soap works fine. If you can find any which has oil as an ingredient, like olive oil soap, still better. Gently massage the bristles, working the paint out along the length of the bristles. Repeat the process a few times until there is no visible paint residue. And avoid scrubbing the brush around, it may damage the bristles. This method uses things you probably already have at home, but it requires an extra step of oiling the bristles, and a regular soap may have some abrasive ingredients. Now if you are a more advanced painter using high quality brushes, I recommend investing in a dedicated artist soap. I use products like General's Master Brush Cleaner, which are specially formulated to be non-abrasive yet effective in removing paint from the brushes. Here I am using a bar of Master's Brush Cleaner soap, which is actually marketed for hands to remove the paint, but it works equally well for brushes. This is the actual brush cleaner which they market for brushes. It's a bit more expensive than the bar if you compare the weight. However, the process is the same, and as a finishing step you can coat the bristles with the soap, reshape so that it forms a straight edge, and allow it to dry. This will help to keep your brushes in good shape. Always lay them flat after a clean. Placing them upright might cause any remaining water to seep into the ferrule and damage the shape over time. Ideally, you should clean your brushes after every painting session, but I know that's not always practical. One trick is to coat the brushes at the end of the session with a slow drying oil, like safflower or walnut oil. It will keep your brushes workable for a day or two. You can also cover them with a plastic wrap, which can extend the drying time for a few more days. Taking a few minutes to clean your brushes will keep them in good shape and save you money in long run. If you want to know what brushes I use, or in general a guide to oil painting brushes, I already have a video for it. You can find a link above. If you found this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe. I have more tutorials coming up. Thanks for watching.